We're going to have a look at Shimano's oscillation mechanism now. Now, let me talk to you about oscillation and what it is in general. Oscillation is the rate at which the spool moves up from the very bottom of the reel and back down again, and the rate of how many coils of line you can get on per oscillation. Now, the slower you can get the spool moving up and down, the more coils of line you can get. And the reason that that is important is that when you're making a big cast or an accurate cast, the more line which is available on the very top of that spool to fly freely without any friction or any drag, the further the lead will travel. We've all experienced put a maximum effort into a cast at some point and the lead is cracked off. We've all done it. And once you crack off, that lead goes absolutely miles. And the reason for that is it hasn't got any drag or any friction holding it back. So that is why oscillation is important, to reduce the amount of drag and friction you have on. Now, let's have a look at the 4 levels of oscillation which Shimano produce. First of all, we have standard oscillation. Now that is round about 16 coils of line per oscillation, and that's available on the Airlex and Beastmaster models. So you get round about 8 coils of line as it goes up and 8 as it goes back down again. Next, we have slow oscillation. That's available on the Ultegra 5500 models and Speedcast models, and that is round about 36 coils of line per oscillation, so very, very good line lay for the price bracket of which them reels are in. Next, we move on to a whole different league. Then we have slow oscillation 5. These are available on all Ultegra 14,000 models, CI4 and Power Aero. That's round about 50 coils of line per oscillation, so impeccable line lay and exactly what you need for things making like such a really big cast, that really, really slow oscillation. Then you've got things like this, which are in a whole different league altogether, and things that other manufacturers can only dream of having. This is Super Slow Oscillation 10, and it is available on the Aero Technium models only. Round about 100 coils of line per oscillation, which gives you as close to parallel line lay as you're ever going to get, and the ultimate thing for long distance casting. So that's a very quick look at Shimano's oscillation mechanisms which are available, and one of many reasons why most carp anglers out there make a Shimano reel the obvious choice for them.